looking at OnlyFans?
Yes.
For what? You know what they doing there?
Yeah, I saw a girl. She making $50,000 a month showing her feet. She ain't even gotta take her clothes off or nothing. $50 showing her feet.
What that got to do with you?
Addison, if I could make $50,000 showing my feet, and they don't have to see nothing else, I get, man.
Your feet? 50,000. Nobody pay 50,000 to your feet. You better find somebody who like some socks too.
Socks? Why socks?
Cause you gotta cover up your feet.
Addison, my feet don't look that bad.
Look at the back of that heel.
Addison, there's nothing wrong with my heel.
Okay.
You don't think somebody would pay $50,000?
Nobody wants to see that big toe right there. That doesn't look.
Addison, you can't be more encouraging. Like, I can at least try it.
Maybe you 50,000. Might get like $100.
$100, Addison. You know what? Always trying to rain on somebody's parade.
I'm just saying.
$100 per person or $100?
Like just like total.
Get out.
What?
Addison, get out.
Like 100.
Get out! I wonder if somebody has a sock.